Okay. So how was your day?
So very good.
So what you did? What you did all day? Did you got chocolates from anywhere?
Yes, sir. The school gave us.
Okay. So today we will be doing silver zone.
Yes, sir. Lovely little.
So up to which paper you have done it?
Sir, I have done everything.
Tell me
Let's
about.
sir, go down. Go down, go down, go down, go down. Sir, it's sounding like go down. Yes, sir. Sir, scholar zone. Scholar zone, scholar zone, scholar zone. Sir, scholar zone. Scholar zone, scholar zone, scholar zone. Yay! Sir, 42.
42.
Yes, sir. Hmm? Roller bearings.
Your mom also sent me one question. Let me see that.
What question?
She should have. Let's first do this question.
Okay, sir.
Check. Okay.
Come on. La, 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 la.
Okay. Mr. Sharma received two shipments of roller bearings. In the first shipment, 5% of the roller bearings were defective. In the second shipment, which is twice as large as the first, 3% of the roller bearings were defective. If Mr. Sharma received a total of 88 defective roller bearings, then what percent of the total roller bearings received in the both shipments were defective?
Sir, how to do?
Okay. Suppose in the first case, let us say he got 100%, in which 5% of the roller bearing were defective.
Sir,
What?
सुन नहीं पा रहा है और again, not again.
Huh?
Come on.
You can't hear me.
Can't hear you. Wait. Let me see what I can do. Sir, you continue, nothing to do. Wait, sir, let me leave and join again.
Okay. Till the time anybody who is online, you want to ask any question, you can ask me. You can put your questions. Then I'm going to solve it. So let us see how this question is solved. So we can say that can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now say this.
Yes, sir.
They are saying that in the first shipment 5% of the roller bearings were defective. Let us say he has X shipment, so 5% are defective. In the second shipment they are saying that he ordered twice as large as first. So if in the first case it was X, in the second case it will be 2X. Are you getting it? Suppose in the first case he ordered 100, in the second case he will order 200. So 3% of 2X. You can say 3% of 2X.
2x.
Okay, this is equal to how much? This is equal to 88.
Okay.
Alright. Let us take X common. So 5% plus 3 into 2 is 6%. That means 11%. 11% is 88. So 11 into 1, 11 into 4. So X will be equal to 100 will go on the other side. It will become 400.
Sir, आप तो गलत कर दिया.
Why? 8.
Sir, 11 got 1 and it will be 8, sir.
Thank you. So this is now how much? 800.
Sir, I can't understand.
Okay, let me explain it to you again. See the question. The question is telling us that there was a shipment. Shipment means there is a box in which some items are coming. Now what are the... Okay. In that shipment they are saying that suppose there are X items. So they are saying that 5% of these X items are defective.
Okay.
In the second case, they are saying that 3% of 2X. Now this time the shipment is having double consignment, is defective, and both the defective together is how much? 88. Understood?
Okay, sir.
Okay, now if you take X common from it, so here what you will have? 5%
Yes.
plus 3% of 2 is how much?
6%.
So 5% plus 6% is how much?
11 upon 100.
11% of X is how much? It is given as 88. So 11 into 1, 11 into 8 is 88. This 100 will go on the other side. So X is equal to how much? 800. Now they are asking you what percent of the total roller bearings received in both the shipments were defective. Okay, so you need to calculate the percentage. Okay, so 11% of 3x.
Sir, I think it is 11% of 24,000.
No, but they are asking the question in the percentage only.
Sir, 11% of 2400.
But then how then the answer will come? 11% of 2400.
Yes.
Then how we are going to solve this? 11% of 800 only. See, the total defective piece was 11% of X only.
Okay, yes.
Okay, but you can say 11%. So which of them you are finding as 11%? So this is also 5 into 2 plus 1, 11. So we can say, then what percent of the total roller bearings received in the both shipments were defective? What percent of the total roller bearing received in both the shipments were defective? So they are asking the percentage.
Wait. First.
I think it will be 5.5%.
How?
Suppose I am considering this as X, this as 2X. Then this will be 2.5. So 2.5 plus 3 will be how much? 5.5.
Sir, I want to say something.
Yes.
If we find 11% of 2400, then sir, first we can find that.
First of all, tell me, what is the need of finding 11% of 2400? What was the defective piece? It was 11% of x, not 11% of 2400. X came out to be 800 only. Defective piece is how much? 88. That is how much? 11% of 800. 11% of 800 is 11% of 800 is how much? 88 only. But we need to find percentage. Okay, so percent. Okay, sorry. So we have to find 88 by 2400. Sorry. Into 100%. This is what we need to find.
Sir, I told you from that time. I'm telling you.
You are telling me 11% of 2400. It is not 11% of 2400. This is 88 by 2400 into 100%. This is a different thing. Ratio into 100%. So 8 into 11, 8 into 300.
Sir, I couldn't understand anything.
So this is 11 by 3%. So this one B.
Sir, I couldn't understand anything. Why you did 88 upon 9400?
Okay, I will tell you the simple trick as well, and I will tell you the special trick as well to do the question in this manner, both the ways. Okay, I got it, how to crack it in 30 seconds. Now, do you know what is a percentage? How to calculate the percent? Percentage is a simple thing. You have to first find the ratio and then multiply it by 100%. In this way, you will get the percentage, right? Okay. You understood that we got 11% of x, right?
Yes, sir.
11% of x was the consignment that was defective. What was the total consignment? Tell me. The total consignment was, first it was x and then it was 2x. The total consignment was 3x. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so x and x will get cancelled out. So what is the percentage of defective? So the answer is
I couldn't
11.
understand.
Huh?
I couldn't understand.
Okay. First, do you know what is percentage? Percentage is
Yes, sir.
ratio multiplied by 100%, right?
Yes.
This you understood?
Yes.
Now what was the percentage? Suppose this is first what was percentage? 5% of x, and then you have 3% of 2x, right?
Yes.
If you this is the defective. So if you take the total defective piece, total
By
defective
8% of 3x.
no 3% of 2x. 3% of total bearings were defective. But the consignment was twice. Initially it was x, now it is 2x.
Okay.
Okay? So 3% of 2x. So if you take x common, you will have 5% plus 3% of 2 is 6%. So total is how much defective? We can say 11% of x. This is the defective piece.
Yes.
How much is the total piece? Total piece is 3x. Are you getting it? Because first consignment was x, second consignment was 2x. So when you add them, total x plus 2x is 3x. So x and x will get cancelled out. So what you will have? 11 by 3% is your answer. B.
Okay, sir.
Understood now?
Okay, sir.
Sure?
Hmm.
Okay. Question number 43. In the figure shown below, ABCD is a rectangle and APQC is a square. This is a rectangle, this is a square. If the perimeter of the whole figure is 22 centimeter, then the area of the shaded portion will be, okay, now listen to me. So when this is 5, this is 3, this has to be 4 centimeter. This is a Pythagoras theorem.
Yes.
Okay. Now if this is 4, that means Okay. Now try to understand. 4 plus 3 is how much? 7. Now let this be x, this be x, this be x. So we have 7 plus 3x is equal to 22 centimeter, because they are saying that 22 is the perimeter of the whole figure. Okay. Now if I ask you what is 3x, it will be 15, because when 7 will go on the other side, it will be subtracted, so x is going to be 5. So that means this is going to be 5, 5, 5. Alright.
Sir, we already knew that from the first.
What?
Sir, it is already written in the bottom that the length of the thing is 5.
Because I am the fool person, so I calculated it. I don't know why I calculated. It is written already. It is 5.
Yes, sir. It
Yes, I
is
am really
written.
sorry. Really sorry. So the area of the shaded portion is how much? You can say it is 25 minus area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is half into 4 into 3. So that means 6. So the answer is 19 centimeter square.
Sir, why did you calculate the area of the square? I don't know.
Which, how you will calculate the area of the shaded region?
Sir, I don't know why you calculated the area of the each side of the square. It was clearly written
Yeah,
over there.
that was my mistake. I didn't saw that. After I got it 5, then only I saw that. It's okay. So we don't need this. We don't need this. So once we have this 5 centimeter, 5 into 5 is 25 minus half into base into height. That means we just need to find this. Okay, good one.
So do you know I was downloading Maxhub in Google and it like happened but where during your class, but then I stopped the thing.
Okay.
I cancelled it.
Okay. Tell me for this. In the given figure of the two concentric squares, the ratio of the perimeter of the square ABCD to the perimeter of the square PQRS is 4:3. The area of the shaded portion is 63. Then what will be the difference on their perimeter?
Eh?
Yeah, this is a beautiful question. Okay, so ABCD perimeter, let us say that this is 4 times S. Let us say this is 4 times S. Let us say this is 3 times S, because the ratio is given as 4:3. Alright, or let us take it as X. Let us take it as X. So what is the area? Area is going to be 4x whole square minus 3x whole square. Area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region will be the square area minus small area. So this is going to be 16x square minus 9x square, which is 63. That means 16 minus 9 is 7x square, which is 63. So x square is equal to 9. So x is equal to 3, because 3 square is 9. So that means this is 12, this is 9. Now what they are asking you, what will be the difference on their perimeter? So the difference of one side is 3. So difference of 4 side will be 12. So 12 is the answer.
Okay, fine. So let me see what you did. Okay, yes, okay. So, sir, done.
Understood?
Yes, sir. Sir, this question we did before.
Sohan Mohan,
Yes, sir.
so you don't want to do?
No, sir.
1080 pencils, 2160 pens, and 14440 erasers are distributed equally among some students of a school with nothing left over. What is the biggest possible number of the students?
The
That
HCF.
highest common factor. Okay. So first we can say that 10 is there for sure, because 2160 and 144 both will have 10. Now we have to find the HCF of 216 and 144. Now both can be divided by 6. So this is 36.
Sir, I was.
Just a minute. Hello.
Okay, sir. Sir, we know this how to do, sir.
सर हाँ सर बताइए. हाँ भिजवा दो सर, क्योंकि मैं तो क्लास में हूँ सर. ओके अच्छा कोई बात नहीं सर, वो ठीक है.
Sir, we did this type of question.
So this 3 is the 6 into 4, 24 into 3, 72. So the answer is 720. Okay?
Yes, sir, very easy.
Yes. If 56.634 is equal to 5a plus 6b plus 6 upon c plus 3 upon d plus 4 upon e, then the value of 1 by 100 plus 5a plus 6b plus 6c plus 3d plus 4e will be equal to.
What the heck?
Okay. So C is 10, D is 100, E is 1000.
Sir, how did you tell?
Because 0.6 can be written as 6 by 10. 0.03 or you can say 0.634 can be written as 634 by 1000.
Okay.
Which can further be written as, see, it is the expanded form. If I ask you what is the expanded form of 24, you will say, sir, it is 20 plus 4. But if I ask you what is the expanded form of 24.12, you will say, 20 plus 4 plus 1 by 10 plus 2 by 100. As you goes like this from left to right, you keep on dividing it by 10. See the rule. Suppose I say 132. So this is 1 into 100 plus 3 into 10. So you divided it by 10.
Yes, sir, I understood.
You understood? So what is C, D and E? So 6 into 10 is how much? 60. 3 into 100 is how much? 300 plus 4 into E is how much? 4000. So see, all the numbers are having 4000. Which number is having 4000? Okay, plus. Okay, you have to do 1 by 100 of all of them. So first let's add all these numbers. So 6 by A is how much? 100. So it will be 0.5. 6 by B, that means, no, yeah. So 6 is 6 only. 6 by B, B is 1. So it will be 6 only. 60 plus 300 plus 4000. So 436.5 divided by 100. So decimal will be 2-digit decimal will be shifted. So the answer will be 43.665.
Okay.
Understood?
So how did you get A and B?
A was expanded form, my dear. You look, the number was 56. So 5 into 10, A is 10 and 6 into 1, B is 50. How you will expand 56?
Okay, sir, yes.
You will write 50 plus 6. So 5 into A is 50. So A is 10 and 6 into B is 6. So B is equal to 1.
Okay, sir.
Understood? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Very beautiful question. Tell me what minus 9 is 5?
6.
Okay. Simultaneously, I will write 36. 6 minus something is 7. So, if this could have become 15. 15 minus what is 7?
8.
That means this is 64.
Sir, wait, let me do my own. Sir, wait, don't help.
Okay. I am waiting. Take your time. Do the square of every number in your notebook.
Sir, I think okay. So C will be 0, sir, 0. We don't need to write C.
How can C be 0, my dear? At least C should be 3.
3. So
Because 3.
9 plus 9.
No, C should be 4, my dear. Because it is giving one carryover as well.
Yes.
So this is going to be 16. And D will be 25. Because 5 minus 0 is 5 only.
And sir, wait, 11, 1.
1. Okay. So E square is 1.
Wait, sir, let me do it. Sir, 6. F is 6.
So 36.
Yes.
Now let us add the unit digit. So 6 plus 4 is 10. Okay, 6 plus 6 plus 5 plus 1, 6, 18. Okay, so 18 means 158. No need to add all the numbers.
Okay.
Just check the unit digit. If you are finding a unit digit is different, then this is your answer. Okay?
Yes, sir.
The given figure is made up of 5 identical rectangles and 1 semicircle. What is the perimeter of the whole figure if the length of the arcs of the semicircle is 22? So what is the length of the arc? The formula is pi r. Semicircle, pi r. Pi r is how much? 22. So 22 by 7 into r is 22. That means r is going to be 7. This will get cancelled out. So r is going to be 7. Alright.
I don't understand, sir. So the arc, so that's the arc is the different.
So the formula for the arc length is half into 2 pi r. Right?
Yes.
It is given as 22.
Yes.
Now 2 will get cancelled out.
Yes.
So r will be equal to 22 upon pi. Pi is 22 by 7. So 7 will come up. 22 will get cancelled out. R will be coming as 7.
Okay.
So when you got r as 7, the diameter you will get as
14.
And if this length is 14, divided into how many equal parts? 4 equal parts.
Yes. So
what is the length of? So now what we need to what is being asked? What is the perimeter of the whole figure? Okay. So from here to here you will get 14. Okay.
yes.
From here to here, how much you will get?
Sir, 14.
14 only?
Yes, sir.
So 14 into 14 into 2 is 28. From here to here also you will get 14. So 42.
No, sir, this is not happening.
Why? 42 plus 22. If you add them, you will get 64.
Okay.
Are you getting it?
Yes.
14, 14, 14.
Sir, but what is the formula of the arc?
The formula for the arc is it depends upon the angle of the arc. What is the formula for the arc length is theta by 360 into 2 pi r.
Huh?
Where theta is the angle, central angle. What is the central angle made by the arc? It is 180. See, I am defining you in a very intelligent manner so that you can understand. You will not get confused now. Tell me, what is the center angle here?
90.
Wonderful. What about this part? 270.
270, yes.
Okay. Suppose you have been asked to find the area of this region or the arc length of this portion. So can you see easily that if this is 1 by 4, this will be 3 by 4?
Yes.
Why it is coming 3 by 4? Because the formula is theta. This is known as theta. Theta means it is the general angle. We say the angle at the center made by the arc. If the arc is this, this is the angle. If the arc is this, what is the central angle? This is the central angle. Let me change the color. Suppose the arc is this. What is the angle that it is making at the center? This is the angle it is making at the center. So you have to tell me the theta. So in the first case, it is how much? 90 by 360 into 2 pi r. So 90 by 360 is how much? 1 by 4. Can you see? Obviously it is 1 by 4 of the total whole circle. Suppose this angle is 270 degree or let us say 180 degree. Let us say this is like this. Now it is what? Now this part, this particular part is a semicircle. So it will come 1 by 2. How it is coming 1 by 2? So what
Yes,
is
sir,
the
I understood.
angle is 180. 180 by 360 into 2 pi r. So it is 1 by 2. So in this case it is the diameter, so it is 1 by 2.
So I want to do the question, last question.
I want you to do it yourself. I have told you already about this. If you are not getting, then I will help you. Okay?
So what are these shapes?
The shape are cuboid. If the volume of the solid 2 is subtracted from the sum of the volume of solid 1 and 3, then the result will be. So how to find it? What we can do is, suppose you put this on this. Volume 2 is subtracted from the sum of the volume of 1 and 3. Let us calculate the volume of this part, let us see. So 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 8 is 32. I told you last day, I told you length into breadth into height. Area of the base is 4, 4 into 8 is 32, okay. Now area of the base is how much? 4. So 4 into 6, 24. Are you getting it?
6.
56.
Sir, how 6?
Because this is the total length is given as 8 and this is 2. So this will be 6 only.
Okay.
See,
Oh, sir, I understood. Oh,
understood?
yes, 6. Okay, I understood. Okay. Yes, understood. Sir, I'm going to do the next one. Mhm. Wait, sir, okay. I am doing okay, sir.
Yes.
Hmm. So 2 into 2 into 8. So 30, 32 plus 32 plus 32. 6 Right, yes. Right. See. Sir, I think the volume of solid 2 is 32 plus 32 plus 8.
How much?
72, sir.
No, it is 32 plus. How you got 32 for this? This is not
Solid 2, sir, solid 2.
solid 2.
Sir, 72.
72 is your answer.